Hey everyone, Deep here, and today we are going to see and learn about that how can we build a Core i3 PC within a budget of just 12,000 rupees, okay, with monitor. So yesterday I posted a video about how can you build a PC within 12,000. That was with the processor of Intel Core 2 Duo, and today in this video we are going to talk about a much upgraded processor, that is Core i3 third generation processor we are considering in this condition. So again, this PC is for normal use, not for extensive use like for gaming or other purposes. Small offices or small computer centers, and also for individuals like students or those who work from home as well, can use this kind of a PC. So let's jump straight into this, and for this I have opened the Flipkart application as usual, and we will go to the cart option, and from here we will first select our processor, and this is the processor I am selecting at the moment. This is Core i3, Intel Core i3 3240, 3 GHz with LGA socket number 1155, 2 cores desktop processor. If you see the pictures of this particular processor, this is the picture, and it's a very famous processor, and I have extensively researched about this processor in the local market, and I have not found this processor in the local market. They always say that this processor is not coming because this is discontinued, so you will get this on Flipkart. So let's see some more details about this processor. So in the sales package you will get only one processor, that is i3 3240. It's a silver processor, this one silver color, and not a silver processor. So 1 year warranty. It's a desktop processor with LGA 1155 with 3 GHz of clock speed, and its price is 1999 with a free delivery. So this is the processor we are selecting today. The next one is of course our motherboard. So in this case I'm going with Zebronics once again with the 861 motherboard. This will be in black color. So this is the, you can see from, if I zoom in, you can see over here, this is the particular motherboard you will get with 2 RAM slots. I think it will be DDR3. Yes, H61 motherboard always gives us DDR3 RAM support. So we'll go deep inside the details as well. I'm just showing you the pictures over here. This is the H61 LGA 1155 socket number motherboard, and this is also free delivery. And let's see the more details. So the first detail is suitable for desktop, Intel H61 Express, data rate is DDR3, the maximum RAM capacity of this motherboard is 16 GB, form factor is micro ATX. Sales package, you will get one motherboard with one SATA cable, one user manual, one driver CD, and it is a micro ATX motherboard. The form factor with LGA 1155 with 16 GB of DDR3 DIMM RAM, and you will get USB 2.0 port controller. There is 6 USB ports. That is a lot of USB ports to handle. That's also you will get no VGA. You will get the VGA port but not the HDMI ports. 2 years of warranty from the manufacturer. Okay, so this is the manufacturing details, and the price of this motherboard is 3099, that is 3100. And next one we will get the heatsink. I have selected this particular heatsink. You can also try in the offline market. You will get it in some lesser price, I think, with LGA 1155 socket number, 1150 socket number, and 1156 socket number. This particular heatsink supports all of these. 12 volt of direct current this will take, and 0.60 ampere this particular heatsink will be offering to you. And also you will get the 7-day replacement warranty with this particular heatsink if something is wrong. And the next one is the consistent 500 GB. We have selected the 500 GB desktop. Like yesterday, we are going with this particular hard disk drive. And the next one is our very important thing, that is the consistent SSD 128 GB all-in-one PC's desktop, laptop, network attached storage, internal solid state drive. This is a very good solid state drive, and this will cost you only 1180 rupees, that is 1180 rupees. and the hard disk will cost you 1475. Again, you can go for offline market with the hard disk as well. You will get it in a much cheaper rate over there. As far as my knowledge is concerned, I have tried a lot in the offline market as well. And we will go with the Krista 15-inch HD monitor, and this is also free delivery with 33.99 rupees with a discount of 19%. So this has also replacement warranty as well. So combining all this, you will get this particular PC for 11,442 rupees. Remember, without the chassis we are making this particular build. Without the chassis, that is without the cabinet with SMPS, you can try it in the offline market, and I will highly recommend you that you try it in the offline market for best possible value of money that you put into your chassis. Go for the micro ATX motherboard, this one, that is 861 LGA socket number 1155, and you also have to select a micro ATX cabinet with motherboard. You can get it in the offline market within 1000 rupees as far as my knowledge is concerned. So this is the PC build with Core i3 within 12,000 rupees. The PC, the CPU with monitor will be ready within 12,500 rupees. So hopefully you all enjoyed this video. Like this video, share with your friends, share with those friends, those who want to build a PC within 13,000 and 12,000 rupees. So see you all in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.